What's up guys, Aussie Tool Guy with another video, and we're looking at the Milwaukee PACKOUT, the rolling cart, and I've loaded this thing up with as many Milwaukee tools as I can fit. So let's have a look and see what this thing can hold. Undo the latch, lift the lid, bang. As you can see, this thing is fully loaded. Let's have a look and see what I fit in. Okay, so here's the Milwaukee PACKOUT rolling cart unloaded. Look how many tools I did manage to load into this cart. Quite unbelievable how much you can fit into these boxes, especially this rolling cart. This is just my take on it. I'm really stoked with the amount of gear I can get in. As you can see, so many tools. Probably could have fit a few more batteries in if I tried, but Milwaukee PACKOUT, if you're interested in this and what it can hold, here you go. This is how many tools I managed to get in here.